Okay, guys, if you are struggling to make sales online, if you have spent all your money on advertisement and you have done everything humanly possible, but yet you still don't make sales online, relax, I can help you. My name is Osaze Kevin King. I'm an experienced digital marketing expert. I've been doing business online successfully since 2010, and I've made multiple millions of naira and multiple thousands of dollars online. Now, there are basically three vital elements you must put in place in order for you to make sales online. Now, the very first element is a good product or a service, and not just a good product, but you have to have a good offer behind that product or a service. Secondly, you need to use the right marketing messages, the appropriate marketing messages for that product or your service. All right. The third vital element is your sales vehicle, and in online marketing, that sales vehicle is known as a sales funnel. All right. You need to be able to design high converting sales funnels if you ever want to make sales effortlessly online. Now, I've created a free video that goes deeper to explain these three things so that you could start implementing them as soon as today to grow your business exponentially. If this is exactly what you want, click the link below to get that video for free. I can't wait to see you in class, guys. Peace out. On a second note, feel free to ignore this and continue struggling to make sales online. That is your choice. That is your business. I wish you the best of luck. See you in class, guys.